Namaste. Welcome to Judy's Kitchen.
Noodles is our all-time favorite food, but we have concerns about health when we buy noodles. What about preparing healthy and tasty noodles at home instantly? Judy's Kitchen brings to you homemade instant noodles recipe today. This super easy noodles is tasty and healthy. So let's check out the ingredients first. For noodles, atta 1 cup, turmeric powder half teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, oil 2 tablespoon and water as required. For vegetable mix, oil 2 tablespoon, finely chopped onion 1, salt 1 teaspoon, chopped green chilli 1, finely chopped carrot 1. Finely chopped beans 3, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, soy sauce 2 tablespoon and tomato sauce 2 tablespoon. Now we are going to prepare dough for noodles. Add 1 cup atta to a bowl. Let's add half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon salt. We are adding turmeric powder for yellowish color, which is optional. Then add 1 tablespoon oil and mix well. Ensure that there are no lumps. Now add water in batches and knead a dough. Next step is to roll the dough in cylindrical shape so as to fit in chakli maker. Place the dough inside the chakli maker and close. Boil 3 cups of water in a kadai, keeping the flame high, and pour 1 tablespoon oil so that the noodles dough doesn't stick together while boiling. Once the water starts boiling, spread the dough carefully. Boil for 5 minutes. Noodles doesn't require much time for cooking. Noodles is cooked, we need to cool it. Take 3 cups of water at room temperature in a bowl. Add cooked noodles to it and keep for 30 seconds. After that, drain off the water. Repeat the same steps for remaining dough. Now, let's make our noodles more healthy and tasty by adding vegetables. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a kadai and add 1 chopped onion. Saute well. Add 1 teaspoon salt to that so that onions fry fast. Now add 1 green chilli. We can chop or slit it. Add 1 chopped carrot and 3 chopped beans and mix well. We can add capsicum and cabbage as well. If you want noodles to be spicy, add 1 teaspoon chili flakes at this stage. Next, let's add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and mix again. Now let's add 2 tablespoons soy sauce and 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. We can add 1 teaspoon chili sauce as well for a spicy taste. Mix well. Now let's move on to the final stage. Add the vegetable mix to atta noodles and mix well. Homemade noodles is ready to serve. Try this instant noodles recipe and you will love it for sure. Share your suggestions and comments in the box below. Like and share our videos. Click on the bell icon to get notifications so that you don't miss our new recipes. Subscribe to our channel and enjoy more videos.
Thank you.